Hello. We'll be looking at how to enter other reportable income. This is a pretty niche thing. You probably won't ever use this or need it, but once in a while, there's a reason to just report some other kind of income that's not clearly falling into any one of these other buckets. Less common income. You can see again, there's a bunch of things here. Miscellaneous income. We want to revisit that. Or in your case, it'll probably say start. And there's a whole list of different types of ones here. Other reportable income. That's going to be the most straightforward. Did you receive any other taxable income? And you just put in a description and a dollar amount. So let's say test just for simplicity. And let's say I received $5,000. And now it's going to go ahead and add that as taxable income for me.